वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रेड कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. And today I am going to show you all how to make horse gram, that in Konkani it is called Kulith. Okay, it's in English it is horse gram. So it's like smaller version of our kidney beans, but it is a tiny version. So I sprouted them. So I washed, this is 1 cup, and I washed it nicely, and then I tied it on a cloth, in a cloth, and then left it for overnight, and next day I got this. So it looks like this, okay, without sprout, and it's tasty, yummy, and I love this. So if you can find it in the supermarket, it is available. So let's make now masala. So for masala we need around 1 whole grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. Then we need some 4 button chilies, some spicy chilies around 3, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, stone flower, a small, and this is our nutmeg, a small piece, star anise, a smallest one. Then I have taken around 5 of peppercorns, 5 to 7 peppercorns, 3 of cloves, a little piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 1 bay leaves, little bit of tamarind. This is all what we need. So we have to roast this all along with the coconut and then grind to a fine paste. So we roast all this together. So roast this, and then we will roast our coconut. And now we will roast our coconut. So we need 2 tomatoes. I will finely chop this. So this recipe is without oil and without onion. So we'll fry this for a while. Then we'll add ginger garlic paste in this and let it fry in this only. So we'll add around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And we have to grind that masala with tamarind. Okay, so let this get cooked, become soft. Then we'll add our pulses and cook this pulses for a while. So now this is soft. I will add the sprouted pulses. Mix this. And I will add water to this and salt. Let's add salt now to this. And water. 1 cup of water is enough so that it gets cooked nicely. And we'll cover this and cook till the sprouts are cooked. Cover and cook this on low flame. So now we will add this masala, the grinded masala, to this. So, and then we will add another cup of water. We don't want very thin gravy. We want a little bit medium gravy. Now we mix this all. And then so this is our Goan recipe. So now we will add to this water. Here it is here. So now we will cover this and cook this for 15 minutes on low flame. So now here it is ready. Our roast, you can say Kulith Ross, or you can say horse gram curry. It's ready to serve, and you can eat it nicely with bread or chapatis or rice. Hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Try and make this recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much. And here it is, Goan Kulith Ross, Goan horse gram curry recipe. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much.